Hi, my name is Jamie, International Artistic Director for Toni&Guy and LABEL.M, and we're here backstage at the Works in Parsons Green, where we're working on our current LABEL.M window campaign. So with my model Moda today, we worked on a longer shape. So we worked initially with the LABEL.M Anti-Frizz Cream as a prep product. Then working with the LABEL.M Anti-Frizz Mist to blow dry through. Using our LABEL.M straighteners from our mid-lengths to our ends, working from our middle parting, ensuring that we're just smoothing everything and a really nice, shiny, straight finish. After we finished the look, we used our LABEL.M Therapy Oil just to ensure that there's any flyaways, just again to encourage that shiny end result.